Good day everyone. Today I am reporting my topic in entrepreneurship and my topic is franchising. Introduction. Franchising is a method for expanding business and distributing products and service. It is based on relationship between the brand owner, franchisor, and the local operator. The franchisor is a company that is franchising its business. The franchise is the person who buys the franchise right. The franchisors. A franchise is the agreement between two legally independent parties which gives a person franchise the right to trade in a designated area under the trademark of franchisor. Advantage capital. The franchisor's capital requirements will be lower because the franchise provide the capital to open each franchise outlet. Motivate and effective management. The local management of each franchise until we be highly motivate and very effective. They treat the franchise units as their own and that will usually lead higher sales and profit levels. Sabi daw po sa motivated effective management ay isang pamamahala ng bawat franchise unit para mas maging mataas ang motibasyon at mapabisa ito. Tinatrato para matrato nila ang mga unit ng franchise bilang sarili nila at kadalasan ay hahantong yun sa mas mataas na presyo or benta or kita. Fewer employees. The number of employees which a franchisor needs to operate a franchise network is much smaller than they would need to run a network and company units. Sabi naman po dito sa fewer employees, ang mga empleyado na kinakailangan ng isang franchisor para mapatakbo ng isang network ng franchise ay mas maliit kaysa sa kakailanganin para magpatakbo ng isang network ng mga unit na pag-aari ng isang kumpanya. Speed of growth. The franchise network can grow as fast as a franchisor can develop its infrastructure to recruit, train, and support its franchise. International expansion. International expansion is easier and faster since franchise understand the local market knowledge. Ang sabi naman po sa international expansion ay kaya nitong mapalawak at mas mapadali or mas mapabilis dahil ang franchise ay mauunawaan ang lokal na kaalaman sa mga market or merkado. Advertising and promotion. Franchisor as will reach the target customer more effectively through cooperative advertising and promotion initiatives. Sabi naman po dito sa advertising promotion, ang mga franchisor daw po ay maaabot ang kanilang mga target na customer para mas epektibo sa pamamagitan ng cooperative advertising at initiative promotions. Disadvantage: high cost. Cost may be higher than you expect as well as the initial cost of buying the franchise. You pay continuing management service fees, and you may have to agree to buy products from the franchisor. Large legal restrictions. The franchise agreement usually includes restrictions on how you can run the business. You might not be able to make change to suit your local market. Sabi naman po dito sa legal large restrictions ay may kasunduan po dito sa prangkisa ng mga paghigpit sa kung papaano mo mapapatakbo ang isang negosyo. Maari ka ring hindi hindi ka makakagawa ng mga pagbabago upang umangkop sa iyong lokal na merkado. Less control compared to business expansion where you own every location. When you franchise your business, you are giving up some control your franchise who will own and operate their franchise location. Sabi naman po dito sa less control, kung maikukumpara sa pagpapalawak ng negosyo kung saan may isa kang pagmamay-ari o pagmamay-ari mo ang bawat lokasyon, kapag ikaw ang may-ari ng iyong negosyo, bibigyan mo ng kontrol ang mga franchise na magmamay-ari at magpatakbo ng kanilang mga franchise na lokasyon. Requires time. Building up a franchise system takes time, requires time. The success on your first number of franchise will determine the growth and trajectory of your new franchise. Types of franchise. There are many types of franchise. The five major types of franchise are: number 1, job franchise. This is a home-based or low-investment franchise that is taken by a person who wants to start and run a small franchise business. A loan franchise usually has to purchase minimal equipment, limited stock, or sometimes a vehicle. A wide and diverse range of service fall into this group, like travel agency, coffee van, domestic loan, care service, plumbing, etc. Sabi naman po sa job franchise, ito ay isang home-based o mababang investment ng franchise na kukuha ng isang tao na gusto mong magsimula at magpatakbo ng isang maliit na franchise na negosyo ng mag-isa. Ang franchise ay karaniwang kailangan bumili ng kaunting kagamitan na limitado ang stock, at kung minsan isang sasakyan. Ang isang malawak na magkaibang hanay ng mga serbisyo ay nabibilang sa pangkat na ito, tulad ng ahensya ng paglalakbay, coffee van, serbisyo sa mga pangangalaga sa damuhan sa bahay, pagtutubero, at iba pa. Product or distribution franchise. Product or distribution franchise. Product-driven franchise are based on supplier-dealer relationships where franchise distributes the franchisor products. The franchisor license is trademark but usually does not provide franchises an entire system for running their business product. Franchise deal mainly with large products such as cars and car repairs parts, vending machine, computer, vehicles, appliances, etc. Sabi naman po dito sa product distribution franchise, ang mga franchise ay hinihimok ng produkto ay nakabatay sa mga relasyon sa dealer ng supplier kung saan ipamamahagi ng franchise ang mga produkto ng franchisor. Nililisensyahan ng franchisor ang trademark na itong ngunit kadalasan ay hindi nagbibigay sa mga franchise ng buong sistema para magpatakbo ng kanilang negosyo. Ang mga franchise ng produkto ay pangunahing nakikitungo sa malaking machine, computer, bisikleta, appliances at iba pa. Business format franchise. The business format franchise also gets to use the franchisor trademark, but more importantly, it gets the entire system to operate the business and market the product and or service. The franchisor offers a detailed plan and procedures on almost every aspects, and the business provides initial and ongoing trading support. Sabi po dito sa business format franchise, nagamit din ng mga franchisors ng ang format ng negosyo, ang trademark ng franchisor. Ngunit higit sa lahat, nakukuha nito ang buong sistema upang patakbuhin ang negosyo at i-market ang mga produkto at serbisyo. Nag-aalok ang franchisor ng detalyadong plano at mga pamamaraan sa halos lahat ng aspeto ng negosyo, nagbibigay ng paunang at patuloy na pagsasanay at suporta. Investment franchise. Typically, these are large-scale projects which requires a large capital investment, such as hotels and large restaurants. The franchise usually invest money and engage either their own management team, franchisor, to operate the business and produce a return on their investment and capital gain on exit. Sabi po dito sa investment franchise, kadalasan ang mga ito ay malalaking proyekto na nangangailangan ng malaking pamunuan tulad ng mga hotel at malalaking restaurant. Ang franchise ay karaniwang namumuhunan ng pera at nakikipag-ugnayan sa alinman sa kanilang sariling management team o franchisor sa negosyo at naglalabas ng return sa kanilang investment at capital gain sa paglalabas. Conversion franchise. Conversion franchise is a modification of standard franchise relationships. May franchise system grow by converting independent business in the same industry into franchise units. The franchise adopt trademarks, marketing and advertising programs, training system and critical client service standards. They also usually increase procurement savings. Sabi po na conversation franchise. Ang isang conversation franchise ay isang pagpapabago ng karaniwang mga relasyon sa franchise. Maraming sistema ng franchise ang lumalaki sa pamamagitan ng pag-convert ng independeng mga negosyo sa parehong industriya sa mga unit ng franchise. Ang mga franchise ay nagpapatibay ng mga trademark, marketing at mga programa sa advertising system ng pagsasanay at mga kritikal na pamantayan sa serbisyo ng kliyente. Karaniwan din nilang pinapataas ang ipon sa pagkuha. That's all. Thank you.